Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Here is Vivo Y16 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can take shaped screenshots in your phone Vivo Y16. First go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. Here I would like to take a screenshot from one search result page. Okay. So here first you have to go to the notification area and go to is capture and go to funny screenshot icon and you will see three types of screenshot here. First one is shaped screenshot. Click over it and you will see different shapes here. Rectangular shape and heart shape, circle shape. You can use any one shape or combination of all shapes. Cloud symbol, so whatever you want, just you can select and you can also adjust the area. You can adjust the area of each shape. Okay, see here I have included all shapes here. Okay, click on save. Finally, this is the screenshot. Okay, it looks so funny, so it's called funny screenshot. Under funny screenshot you can take different shape screenshot. Okay, so it's called also called as shaped screenshots. You can use any one particular shape or two shapes or three shapes, any number of shapes you can include in your screenshot. Whatever funny way you would like to do, just you can do it. Okay, that's all friends. Click on save finally, and to locate the screenshot, go to files and go to internal storage, then go to pictures folder and go to screenshots, and here you can see the screenshot just now. Yes, this is the shaped screenshot that I took using a capture. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.